Hello guys, today we are making a video of my hockey card dispenser of Lego I made. So yeah, first I wanted to show you how it works. So there's a little slot to put a loonie in right here. There's this thing. This is how to get the cards. But see, I can't get any right now. This is where the cards come out of. Nothing's falling out. Nothing's there. Except that white thing. I get a loonie. I can drop it in. And the white thing is gone. So yeah, now if I try to pull this lever thing again, it'll work. Like, watch this. I have grabbed it. I push on it. Cards come out. So let's see, it dispenses 6 cards. So yeah. So yeah, it just dispenses 6 cards. And now I'll show you how it works. So I took off the roof. Let me just clear this card out. This is anti-Cooper. I put 7 cards in and always not dispense like 1. So yeah. If I get these cards out and put them in, I'll show you how it works. First thing we have to do is you probably can't see, it's a bit dark. Well, now you can. There's a loonie down there. See, there was a loonie. Well, yeah. Oops. So I want to show you how this thing works. So you're supposed to there was a little thing right here. You just pull on it. Falls over and you can get your money. So yeah, that's what that looks like. But so I want to show you this. So there's this little thingy, as you can see. There's like this thing. So the money falls out here and it lands on it, and then it just flips up like that. So before it was down, money lands on it. It gets up, goes up. So that's how this works. Then there's this thing. See this? There's this, and then you can just slide it, and like that. So let me just put a deck of cards in, and I'll show you how it works. Once we have our deck in, like that. See, we have our deck in. Well, let's see how it works. See, we put our loonie in. Watch it fall. See, it lifts that up. And now we can pull this. All the cards come out. So then we can pick them up and see who we got. Looks like there's one And then, oh, there's 2 that got stuck. But yeah, they get stuck a lot, so you don't know how much you're actually gonna get. But yeah, I like this build. I think it's cool. And also, let me just show you how this works. So yeah, I can push it on even if it's closed. See, the white thing is down there. I'll just try to see, it's down there. I can still do it. It's closed. But if I put some cards in it, it can't move that much. You'll move. Oh, what's the thing down? Oh no, I put the cards really bad in. Ugh. So yeah, see, it can move, but not that much because the cards are in the way, and the cards can't come out unless I put it like under the thing, which is really rare. So yeah, and then if where did I put my loonie? Oh yeah, I put it right here. So and then if I drop the loonie in, did it work? Or did it take my money? I think it took my money. It should work now. Oh, it actually did work. Oh, that's pretty strange. I guess it didn't take my money. So now it works. Then I have these cards. I already showed you most of them. So yeah, that's how it works. It weighs it down. I thought it didn't work, but it did work. Sometimes it takes your money, just to say. Like, let me try it to make it take my money. Yep, it took my money. Watch again. It took my money, and now I can't place the cards, and it goes here, which is really annoying sometimes. So there's the white and the blue smooth piece. You want to do it as much as you can on the white, because it's like heavier here, so it's like falls and it just goes down. Here has less pressure, so it just goes down. Let me just try it. See the white? And it just goes right up. If I do it on the blue, it just falls right off. Oh, if you want to make this, here's a look at the inside. And now here's a look at the outside. You just make walls with 8 blocks high. And here you have a button. This is how you make the door if you want it. You don't have to have it, but that's how I made the door. We have this, which, yeah, there's a bit of a hole in my thing, just so it can slide. Is our money still in there? I believe it is. Oh, no, it isn't. Yeah, mine's here. I want to put my roof back on. Show you what it would look like if it just like fell in. And you can make like those studs so it's easier to take the lid off, but yeah. So let me just put the roof back on. So I put the roof back on. I have no cards on this, by the way. Let me just put the dollar in. And if I open this, it should be right there. See, it's right there. I got it out. And I'll just put this thing back. You can make locks on them, but I'm a Lego genius, so I'm not going to make a lock on it. So yeah, that's my cool Lego vending machine. So if you liked it, please leave a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, leave a thumbs down. And yeah, bye.